Hi, this is a quick sound demo of the fourth mode of Typhoon, which is Spectral Madness. This is a run synthesized tool and I really love it because you can obtain really strange glitchy sound with it. So first the controls, the four knobs are still the same. You have wet, dry, stereo, feedback and reverb. And for the four faders, some have changed. The first one is still position, so you can move around the audio buffer. I will show you after. Right after density become tempo quantization is basically the clock at what speed the analyzer are, of the ring statistics are clocked. So if you go to the bottom, you will have slower clock, so sometimes the filter won't update, and at the end you have a partial freeze. And if you go to the top, it will merge some filter frequencies, and you have a more wash reverb effect. Right after you have size. This is no spectral warping. So around the knob you will have many spectral shifting and spectral reversal. It really can sound really nice, you will see. And last one, textures. This is no spectral quantization. So it do two things. So if you go to the bots, it's increasing the quantized amplitude of spectral component, like it's sound like a very low bitrate codec, and I really love it. And if you go to the top, it's increase the weakness of the stronger partial, and you are going to much more noise effect or things like that. So let's hear how it could sound. Here I have a random sequence, really simple. So first, go to the dry. The first thing is position with freeze. So here now position have no change, but if you freeze, you can now move in the buffer, and you can record another sound at the top. So here is the sound at the bottom. So if I go at the top, we can now morph between the two. It's interesting because you can do some wavetable sound or things like that. So the tempo quantization now. So if I go bottom, you will have some freeze. Fully freeze at bottom. And if you go up, more wash sound. Alright, so now the spectral warp. Of course, the spectral warp really depends on the tuning of the oscillator or the sound going in, and the tuning of the Typhoon, so don't be afraid to experiment. Alright, so and the last one, texture, so spectral quantization. So if you go to the bottom, it's more like a really low bitrate codec, audio codec. And if you go at the top, you will have some more noise like. Alright, so let's freeze one thing. Because one other thing change in this mode, this is a string input. Now, if you put a gate, it will create a glitch, and more the gate is long, more the glitch is complex. And if I reduce, so you get the idea. And with some modulation, this mod can really sound crazy. So for example, if you Alright, I hope it will help you to understand how this force mode on Typhoon do and how it can sound. Bye bye.